I'm very happy to be here. Congratulations again. And I'm very happy because my presentation comes after two beautiful presentations, so we can kind of wrap up. And I want to start with a clinical case. We have seen the presentation of beautiful studies. So I think it's important we start from the clinical point of view. This is a teacher, a high school teacher, who comes to my office and says, okay, doctor, I know I can have implants, but can you save my teeth? And to make a long story short, we step by step do the initial preparation, the guided tissue regeneration, then we, at the end, do ortho treatment, we extract a few teeth, and then at some stage, we arrive at the implant placement. And she is really one of the best patients I have seen. Look at pre-op and post-op. Beautiful plaque control, no complaints. She comes regularly. And then this is the picture, the X-ray picture of the implant which was placed in the lower left mandible. This is the picture with the provisional restoration when the orthodontics is finalizing the position of the teeth. And if you look at the X-ray, you may be happy. Bone loss is basically zero. The implant is straight. The implant is at tissue level. So apparently everything is okay. But the thing is that she comes and she says, doctor, it hurts.